Okay, in this short video, I'm just going to be talking about how to get your first reviews on Fiverr when you're just starting out. So there's a few different routes that you can go. Obviously, try and get your friends and your family to purchase some gigs. You can even, give them the referral program, which I will talk about in a further section in this course. But Fiverr does have a referral program. That means that you can share via social or email to people that you know, and if they go ahead and purchase, you get $5. So the way that that can work is that if you can have friends and family members purchase your gigs, then you'll also get money back in return, and you can go on to buy more gigs. Maybe you want someone to do your cover art for your gigs. You can use that money for that, or maybe you're building up your own online business and you want to use it for those types of services. So that's just an idea for number one. That's a great place to start. Number two, which is a little gray hat, depending on who you are, it technically would go against Fiverr's TOS, but it does work. Something that you can do is have a friend or yourself can buy IP addresses, and dedicated IP addresses, not just ones that will switch out every hour or every day. You want something that you can log back into and that is a permanent IP. Fiverr is very strict when it comes to their IP addresses. I had my first account banned because I switched IPs and I was not an established seller yet. So therefore they just went ahead and blocked my account. So I did get banned the first time around, and I was making like $500 a month. So that was a bummer. I had to start from scratch. So with that being said, if you are going to use IPs to try and buy your own gigs and then leave reviews, which, like I said, is possible, but you got to be careful and use dedicated IPs. The place that I would buy IPs from would be somewhere like buyproxies.org. There we go. Oh, come on. This is a great site. I buy proxies and I've bought VPNs from these guys, and they are awesome. Their customer support is unprecedented. They get back to you within 24 hours regardless of what day or time it is. So they are awesome. Outside of that, and again, dedicated IPs, not shared. And when they even have the option, like, what are these proxies going to be used for? Tell them Fiverr.com. And that you want the same proxies every single month. So that is the two best ways that I know how to get reviews on your Fiverr gigs when you're just starting out. Again, you don't have to use the tips that I've recommended if you're against the gray hat methods, but it does work. The method that I would use is trying to get friends and family members to buy your gigs, and maybe even give them the money to be able to pay for your gig. Maybe go ahead, give them the $5-10 to buy the gig, just so that you can get like 10 reviews to get started. And then once you have like 10 reviews, people will naturally start buying because they see that, oh, you have stars, you're a good provider. And again, the faster that you deliver, the more sales that you'll tend to have in the beginning, therefore the more reviews that you'll get. So that's another tip as well, is just fast delivery times when you're first getting started so that you can get a lot of reviews. So I hope that's been helpful, and you can join me in the next video where I will take you through creating a gig from start to finish, and we will walk through it together. All right, I will see you in the next video.